In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your site to find ready-made rules and turn them on for your team. Automations in Confluence help you save time by standardizing repetitive tasks, so it's a great way to add consistency without extra effort. Start by opening your Confluence site. From the home page, look for the Spaces menu. This is where all of your team's content lives, and automations are managed at the space level. Click Spaces to open the list, then choose the space where you want the automation to run. If you work across multiple spaces, pick the one that will benefit most from a consistent workflow. Next, open the options for that space by selecting the three dots next to its name. This menu gives you quick access to administrative tools. Choose Space Settings. You'll need the right permissions to make changes here, so if you don't see the settings option, check with a space admin. Inside Space Settings, find and click Automation. This is the hub for building and managing rules. You don't have to start from scratch. At the top, there's a search bar that lets you look for templates by keyword. This is perfect if you already know what you want, like automatically organizing pages or notifying teammates on updates. If you're exploring, browse by categories. In Organize, you'll find templates that help structure content, keep pages tidy, and maintain standards. Cross-product highlights rules that connect Confluence with other Atlassian tools, ideal for coordinating actions across products. Collaborate focuses on teamwork, things like reminders, nudges to keep work moving, and ways to keep everyone in the loop. When you see a template that fits your goal, click to open it. You'll get a brief summary of what the rule does and when it runs, which helps you confirm it matches your needs. If it looks right, click Turn on Rule. That's it, the rule is now active in this space. Confluence will handle the rest automatically based on the template's trigger and actions. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Start with one or two rules so you can see the impact without overwhelming your space. If a rule isn't doing what you expect, you can return to the automation area to review or switch to a different template. And remember, templates are designed to be practical starting points, so they're an easy way to introduce automation to your team's workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new time-saving automations in Confluence.